Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to watch Netflix movies for free. If you've seen videos claiming that there's a secret trick that unlocks every Netflix movies without paying, then make sure you watch this video before trying anything. The truth is there is not a legitimate secret trick to watch Netflix paid content for free. Netflix requires an active membership to access its movies and TV shows, and there isn't an official workaround that permanently unlocks premium content without subscription. You need to be careful with websites, apps, and browser extensions or APK files that promise free Netflix accounts or unlimited free access. Many of them are scam designed to steal your login information, collect personal data, or install malware on your device. And if you're looking to save money, Netflix offers several official plans in many countries, and you can choose the one that best fits your budget. And if someone in your household already has a Netflix subscription, that allows account sharing under Netflix current policies in your region. They can invite you through the official process if applicable. So while there isn't a hidden trick to watch Netflix movies for free, using Netflix through an official membership is the safest and intended way to enjoy this content. So that's everything you need to know about watching Netflix movie for free. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.